Should you watch this? Mastering advice with modal verbs. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of English grammar, and specifically, we're focusing on modal verbs. More specifically, we're going to explore how to use the modal verb, should, for advice. It's a powerful little word that can change the meaning of a sentence, so let's get started. Should is a modal verb. In English, we use modal verbs to show likelihood, ability, permission, and obligations. Today, we're going to focus on how should is used for giving advice. Should is used when we want to suggest something to someone. It's less strong than must or have to, and is often used to give friendly, informal advice. For example, we can say, "You should drink more water." This implies a piece of friendly advice that drinking more water might be beneficial. Now, let's look at how to use should in a sentence. It's really quite simple. The structure is subject plus should plus base form of the verb. Here are a few examples. 1. You should study for the test. 2. He should take a break. 3. We should go to the new restaurant downtown. Remember, these sentences are giving advice or making suggestions. What if we want to advise someone not to do something? We can use the negative form, should not, or the contraction, shouldn't. For example, you shouldn't stay up late. Just like in the positive form, we use subject plus shouldn't plus base form of the verb. We can also use should to ask for advice. The sentence structure changes a little bit, becoming should plus subject plus base form of the verb plus. For example, should I buy this dress? Or, should we take the bus? And that's a wrap for today. I hope this session about using the modal verb, should, for advice was helpful. Keep practicing and you'll be a master in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.